Following some breaking news this morning out of Ocean Beach, 2 people are dead after a boat washed ashore there. Officials got this call just after 3:30 this morning. They found a 28-foot vessel overturned in the sand in OB, and that is also where they found 2 men who were dead on the beach. They are still searching the area for any others who may have been on the boat. Border Patrol, we understand, is at the scene, as well as lifeguards. San Diego Fire is on scene as well. They're working on any recovery efforts, and of course we are updating this story moment by moment, so we'll bring you any new information as soon as it is available. And breaking